Welcome to Tita Lily's Kitchen. For today's recipe, I'll prepare spaghetti with creamy white sauce. Here are the ingredients. And for the ingredients, I need chicken breast, bacon, onion and garlic, salt, ground black pepper, mushrooms, butter, and olive oil. We also need parsley, parmesan cheese. I will use two kinds of cream, thickened cream and double cream, and spaghetti noodles. Now let's get started. Half a teaspoon of salt in boiling water. Cook the pasta, and while waiting, let's prepare the rest. I'm going to slice the chicken into small pieces. Same goes with bacon, garlic, and onion. Pasta is done. Next is to fry the bacon. So butter and olive oil, then drop the bacon. This looks okay. Place it in a bowl and set it aside. Put the remaining butter and olive oil. And saute garlic and onion. I'll bring in the chicken and continue cooking till the chicken turns white in color. At this point, I'll add seasoning. Salt, and ground black pepper, chicken is almost cooked. Now let's add mushrooms. It looks like we're having so much liquid, but it's okay. This is moisture coming from mushrooms. Now let's add the cream. First is the thickened cream. And let it boil. This time, I'll add the double cream, and this will make the sauce more thicker and creamier. Bringing back the bacon, parsley, and parmesan cheese. Creamy white sauce is cooked and ready to serve with spaghetti noodles. And for the list of ingredients, you can check in the description box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, make a comment, and share it too. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. There you go, my version of spaghetti with creamy white sauce. I hope you like my recipe for today. Thank you for watching. Bye for now and see you again on my next video.